Flow of control is just about which lines in your program execute in what order. Normally speaking, control flows from one line to the next. Integer x equals 2, x equals 3, print something out showing the value of x, and they all just happen in that order. But just about every programming language has some way to change that around, and you should probably recognize things like if and while. You can also call a function. They're pretty simple things to get. The trick maybe is the syntax, and the C++ syntax I'll show you in working code so that you can see how it's done. And remember, as I like to say, the compiler is your friend, so that if you mess up and say leave off some brackets, you'll get an error message, then you'll know what to do about it. Things that are a little different in C++, the for loop. Not every language has a for loop, the switch statement, and the immediate if. I also want to talk about the break, which is relevant in while and for and a few other places. And I'm just going to mention that goto exists. I don't have a goto demo. I don't want you to use goto. It's there. If you happen to read it, it, is a goto. But all those years ago, we said goto is considered harmful. And for those who aren't in on the joke, considered harmful has really become the nastiest insult you can give a language feature. I'm not going to show you how to use it. I don't want you to use it. It does, just for the sake of technical accuracy, does exist. That's all I want to say about goto.